Sometimes I meet people who are not sure what career they take, what kind of a job to do. They're faced with choices. How to decide when you're faced with multiple choices about jobs? Well, I'll give a very simple rule about that. There are just 3 types of careers in the world. Just 3 main. Of course, there are 3 add-on ones, but let us look at the 3 main ones. One career is about thinking what to do, or even why to do. Second career is how to do it. Third career is about finishing that up and making it look good, whatever you've done. Let me explain you with an example and then we can come back to this. Imagine a shoe. There is a designer who thinks what kind of a shoe is required and he draws up that shoe that is to be made. Then the shoemaker will make that shoe. He is the second kind. He knows how to do it. The third kind is the polish doer or the box maker. He will finish up your product to look good. Now, just look at this pyramid. At the top are people who think. There are only few people required who will think. Then as the pyramid gets bigger, there are people who will produce that thing. And the bottom part is the largest. These are the people involved in finishing, doing, setting up and selling it. So this is how, so in case you're looking for a job, think whether you have a capability to do the thinking part or the design part. If you do not, first is to attempt to be that person, but if you do not, at best you will be able to at least make things. And if you can't even make things, that in any case nobody will deny you a job to finish things. Look at buildings. So in buildings there are architect who thinks up, there is a builder or civil engineer who will make it up, even the supervisor belongs to that. But the last people are the people who cement it, paint it and put tiles and stuff. Always the best part of the work and the remuneration will be best in the thinking part, then the producing part, and lastly the polisher, because polishers are dispensable. If my house is working or is functioning right, even if the finishing is bad, I am able to live in it well. But if the house is polished well but has not been designed well, you can't live in it. So in any case, the last job is always the least preferred. There are many jobs like this which you'll be able to imagine, even in say a cricket team. So the captain does the thinking part. So becoming a thinking part person usually will happen with practice than by training. So a lot of people, when they say that I want to go to the top of the pyramid, so best is to enter at the middle, do the production work, and then by your experience you can rise to the top. So I think that largely explain you everything. Thank you. Hope you make a great career.